fish or something.
Say hi, guys.
Yes, Roger Waters skunk.
Some Roger Waters skunk. Dude, Hog's breath. What's it? Hog's breath.
Say hi, Lena.
The game.
What'd you just say?
Oh.
You did. Fuck.
I just want to see what the hog regime looks like. Hog's breath. Hog's breath. Dude, I've heard of one called like.
Look up ILC.
What's that?
Like a type of weed.
Jeez.
I think somebody just like made their own weed, you know, and named it ILC. Like maybe it's a crossbreed and it's like named, or like it's been, you know, crossbred with like 3 different other kinds of weeds. And like ILC is, I don't know. But I want to see if it's on there.
Kittens are $7.
It's not even bad.
How about we pitch in half and half?
I don't want dogs to adopt. Fuck that. I don't want dogs.
I didn't see the boat for that. This must be me.
I heard there's some great fish in town.
What?
Jordan said. Because I go see some guns around here.